Hi, Slipcore here. Welcome to my first devlog for Onslaught. This is a game dear to me for reasons that I might go into another day. I've been granted permission to port this Flash game from around 2007 to a current engine, as Adobe Flash will at some point stop working or be deemed not reliable anymore. Here's the progress of last week. The first time I have something really presentable after rewriting the game engine into Unreal Engine. The simple fact that this turret is able to shoot and hit the target is something like a miracle to me. Honestly, I've been sitting on the current code for months and I dreaded going back as simply nothing happened visually. Most problems were caused by coordinates having different directions, axes or degrees being calculated wrongly. As you can see, the bullet takes a weird not straight path to the enemy. This was an issue I introduced on my own, a simple rounding error. This can happen if you take radians as an integer. Oops. This rocket animation was another day's work. I had to fiddle around with the degrees, basically shifting them by 180, but not all the time. It's pretty weird, but works now. Also, I found the rounding issue and now the bullets properly take radians values and go the direct path to the enemy. So here I chose to record the first attempt at using a green turret. And surprisingly, it does aim at the enemy but not shoot at all. What the Flash game did without code somehow is link the projectile that the green tower is shooting to the laser engine class. I could fix this by spawning a laser engine class instance and adding a custom particle effect that replaces literally drawing a blurred line like Flash could, and it would. I'm pretty happy with the result. The particle effect links to actors, so in this case the gun shooting point and the attacker. In order for the line to stay where it is and not follow the attacker while it is shooting, I created a dedicated beam node actor that stays where the initial shot was aimed at. Finally, I implemented the yellow turret in a similar way. Thankfully, I could use the particle effect I already created here too, just the yellow turret effect has some noise added to it so the beam goes crazy. I like this a lot. So this concludes the demo title screen, and in theory the game is operational for the basic first turrets. Now my next goal is implementing the turret placing mechanism. I also need to add the graphical user interface and make turret selectable and an audio setting. Unless I find more pleasant sounds, this will get nasty real quick. But that is for another week, in another month. I feel like I achieved enough so far. Stay awesome. Bye.